Hot Springs Village Lake Desoto before and after. April in Hot Springs Village has been an interesting one. Between April the 2nd, 2025, and April the 5th, 2025, we experienced over 16.6 inches of rain, computer estimated. But that number varied all over the village. Some portions received significantly less, some significantly more. In our last video about Hot Springs Village, Lake Desoto, we discussed how sound the dam and the spillway were. Some comments showed concern about the fact that the dam seeps or leaks. Certainly, nearly all dams have some level of seepage or leaking. "15 years ago, we were instructed by a governmental agency for Arkansas that it was important to cut the brush and small saplings off the back of the spillway. Maybe like me, you might think that the brush and saplings would stabilize the spillway. Not exactly. This last week has been an exact example of why you have to cut the shrub and brush off the dam. heavy, drenching, saturating, unrelenting rainstorms back to back to make the soil so saturated that any level of wind or even a little top-heavy motion of these big trees can bring them down without even a significant wind. When those trees fall, their root balls expose huge holes in the back of the dam. Another reason why you want to cut your brush. This video is made to show the difference between an average runoff and a flood level event. The spillway was remarkably well designed by Cooper Community Engineers. Mr. Ernie Deaton, whom I've had the pleasure of interviewing in the past, is an exceptional engineer. He made the note that his former employer made promises and kept their promises. This piece of infrastructure is a perfect example that has stood for nearly 50 years with no significant maintenance. Lake Desoto is located on the western end of Hot Springs Village, as in between Lake Desoto Golf Course and Lake Cortez. To reach the dam, you simply turn north off of Desoto Boulevard onto Seville Street. At the end of Seville Street, you'll see Desoto Beach, a beautiful 210-acre lake inside Hot Springs Village. While Lake Desoto is not the oldest lake, Lake Segovia earns that moniker, it is one of the larger lakes on the western end with dozens of houses and townhouses and exceptional fishing. As you can see, the spillway and dam are in excellent condition. Hot Springs Village, Arkansas is nestled between Hot Springs National Park, Lake Ouachita, and the Ouachita National Forest. As the world's largest gated community, it is home to 9 golf courses, 11 lakes, 29 miles of hiking trails, and 18,000 of some of the sweetest people on the planet. But don't ask us. Just make a plan. Come to see us at Hot Springs Village, Arkansas. The beauty of the nature is mesmerizing. And be warned, Hot Springs Village can be habit-forming. HSV Radio. HSV Radio is heard every Saturday morning at 9 a.m. or streaming on any of the major platforms. Hot Springs Village Radio is an eclectic mix of music, motivation, great music history, and Saturday morning fun. Join us every Saturday morning at 9 a.m. 92.9. And brought to you by the Hot Springs Village Voice, Hot Springs Village only newspaper, also serving all of Saline and Garland County. Your local newspaper for local events. No one else has more local news than the Hot Springs Village Voice about the Hot Springs Village area. Sign up today at hsvvoice.com or call 501-623-6397. Again, that's 501-623-6397. Located at 3576 North Highway 7 in Hot Springs Village, Arkansas, just in front of Walmart. Brought to you by Gotta Go Vacations. www.gottagovacations.com. Troy Woods and Patrick Cunningham at 501-204-4805 can help you with any of your travel needs. Patrick and Troy have been airline stewards for decades, and their experience and their travel can serve you well. GottaGoVacations.com, again, that's GottaGoVacations.com, can help you book the perfect tour for you. Whether it's a riverboat cruise up the Mississippi or the Rhine, these guys are who you need to call. 501-204-4805. Troy or Patrick, 501-204-4805. Gotta go DDVillageVacations.com. D&D Village Properties, Hot Springs Village only short-term rental with over 2,100 five-star reviews. All properties are lakefront. They include complimentary kayaks, hot tub, pet-friendly, and a stunning view of the lake. Visit DD Village Prop today for your vacation getaway.